Welcome guys. Today I will show you how to reset the oil change on Ford Focus 2013. As you can see, the message will appear here. Okay, all you have to do is turn off or turn the key back. Okay, what you're gonna do, you go to the brake pedal, push it all the way down, gas pedal, the same thing, the both in one time, put the key back, turn the key to on position and leave it until the service oil reset in progress. You can see it is here. Hold it, keep your both feet down, just wait for it, here you go. Reset complete. Shut off or turn off back the key and everything is done. Here you go guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.